The iX Flow is the world's first real color-changing car, and we showed it at the CES in Las Vegas this year. Since CES, we've been working on the iX Flow, and this prototype was our very first car. And it's got new controllers in it now that can react much more dynamic. So we can react really quickly to sensors, which was necessary for this prototype. We've combined our technology with brain boost. So essentially, we can react to sensors, we can react to brainwaves.
BrainBoost is a Munich-based startup combining mental health and neurotechnology. Our mission is to create awareness for mental wellness and help people to learn what actually helps them to calm down or stay in focus.
Is this okay for a few minutes? Yes.
Our core technology is neurofeedback, which aims to help people get a better understanding for their brain activity. Usually we display that on a screen or on a monitor, but today we have something special.
This one shows you that the brain is now calm, and when it gets more active again, then the car will just start flashing different colors again.
To measure the brain activity of the RadHub participants, we use EEG technology, which has been around for decades in the medical field. The technology allows us to read the electric activity that the brain is generating, and thus we will understand if the brain is in a more active or less active state. This can be easily done by putting on a cap and a few electrodes on the head of a person, and within a minute we will get a proper medical-grade EEG signal. We then process this EEG signal with certain algorithms and create scores that show us if the brain is actually more calm or more active. The brain pattern is then projected onto the car, and people can immediately and in real time see what's happening in their brain. Neurofeedback aims to help people get a better understanding of their brain activity and figure out which techniques actually help them to calm down their brain or to stay in focus for longer times. And hopefully after this experiment they can take their learnings home and implement into their daily routines.
Here at RadHub, we're thinking about how digital life can be in the year 2040. And for me, a lot of the magic in this technology is combining it with various sensors, with proximity sensors, with sunlight sensors, and yeah, why not control your car with the power of thought?